let's dive into an Ehaas story that reveals the raw, uncomfortable truth about a completely misunderstood virtue: patience. Society always tells you that patience is peaceful, like it's just this incredibly easy game of waiting around. But here's the harsh reality they don't tell you. Patience isn't peaceful at all. It's actually incredibly hard. Take Yusuf, for example, a young guy who worked on a single, massive goal in total silence. For 3 whole years, he woke up to quiet mornings where literally nobody noticed his grinding effort. He felt that crushing weight of watching his friends rapidly advance, while he was just standing still. One evening, his younger brother called with a piercing question. "By when is something going to happen?" Yusuf just couldn't answer. He was suffocating under the immense, heavy pressure of that total silence. But that exact moment was his turning point. He finally stopped running from the heavy weight of doubt. Speaking to an empty room, he finally admitted the raw, unfiltered difficulty of his situation out loud. The big shift happened when he simply stopped pretending that the whole process was supposed to be peaceful. He realized real patience isn't some zen state of calm. It is pure, resistant, exhausting friction. It feels like watching everyone else sprint ahead while you quietly water your own roots deep underground. So, what actually happens after 3 solid years of watering those unseen roots in the dark? Eventually, after real-time and agonizing friction, something finally pushed its way up through the soil. It wasn't some dramatic breakthrough, and it absolutely did not happen overnight. It happened quietly, because honestly, that is the only way real, lasting things ever actually grow. When asked his secret, he didn't offer any toxic positivity. He just offered this totally honest truth. He let it be hard. He fully embraced the intense struggle and simply refused to stop. Take a breath and let this unseen, uncomfortable truth sit with you for just a moment. Patience is not peace. It's grueling work done in silence, and it's the hardest kind of brave.